Okay, very good afternoon all and greetings. Hope you are doing very well. And in this video session, we are going to see about how to do OTP verification using Python code. So this is the very simple program, but it is always used how to generate OTP in all your application in day-to-day life. We are using OTP verification in various bank applications and also even in Swiggy, Zomato or anything, we are using this OTP. The OTP is part of our life. Okay, so we are getting a OTP often from the particular app for our verification purpose. In that aspect, today we are going to see how to generate the OTP and further we will explain how to verify this OTP by using our email that we are going to do. The first foremost steps are very, very important. After that, we can able to generate whatever things we want. So here the program, the model OTP verification code program will look like this. You can see here. First, I will go in part of steps, that is import random. Random, you can know, that is the important library which used to generate random numbers. So randomly you can generate random numbers from 0 to 9, or if I want to use something means I can use this code. So first I will do that. In the later part we will do one by one. So import random. After that, after importing this library, you can directly use this library randint of 0, 9. Like that you can directly use randint of 0, 9. If I give this code means what happen? If I run this code means first it is giving 1. Once again you are running the code means it will give 4. Once again you are running the code means randomly it will generate the numbers. So these are all generating one by one number at a time. So here what is our aim is we need to generate series of code. It may be either 4 digit or 5 digit or 6 digit. That depends on the application and the developer. So here what I am doing is, you can see here, slowly I will tell you one by one. First I am explaining about this random process. So how to verify this random process, I will tell you. So I am declaring one variable called OTP, and OTP is equal to, before that I am removing all the things like str, our other things I am removing as of now for my convenience. Okay, so first I am using the word random of whatever I am doing initially, I will do it now. Right. So random of 0, 9, one more bracket required, 0, 9. So using this library, if I that means what happened, if I print OTP, usually it will give you only one number, what I explained in the previous thing. Okay, so if I run means I am getting now 7. So I need some number like 7469, 7432, like that means I need to add something. So how to add means I am using the word called strf, that is string of. Okay, so string of, what I am doing is, here I can use string of random int 0, 9, and then what I am doing for, okay, so for I in range of 4, this is the string for I in range of 4. So here I am using the thing called for I in range of 4. We have to check the brackets, whatever the brackets you are having, that you have to use. Right. Now, if I am generating this means, then what I am getting, generator OTP something is coming. So that means it is, we are getting a string like object, that is we are getting string like function. So here what I am doing is I am going to make it as a list. If I want to generate a number means, what I need to do is, before this I need to put one list like command so that it will be generated as a list. So if I run this means, so you can get here, you can see here now generator object expression, it is unable to express. So what we are going to do is, I am going to do join of function I will do, so that you can able to see the difference, whatever it is giving, that you can able to think. So so here once again I will rewrite the command here. So I am completely removing this, and then I am giving the command str of. Okay, so here you can see random int of. First I will pause this, and then I will make this code work. Okay, so here. Okay, now I think here I will make it as a one small open bracket, and then for I in range of 4. That is okay. Okay. So after that, what I am doing, 6, since this is the thing, it is coming automatically. Now OTP is equal to join of OTP and then print OTP. Now what you are getting, that is the, you can see here 8773. That means what I am getting, first I am converting everything into string, and after that I am joining without space. If you give space here, what happened, you can try. If I give one small space, means this number will be separated. So in order to remove the spaces, I am just cutting the space. If I want to generate 5 number, means here you need to give it as 5. Okay, so if I generate, means you will get a 5-digit OTP here. This is the principle how we are generating the OTP. So here the same procedure is follow here. Then we are going to this command smtp library. This is another important library in the Python, which is going to generate simple mail transfer protocol. So whenever you want to generate one mail, means you want one transfer mail and receiver mail. So in order to transfer the messages from one server to another server, I need to use one protocol. That protocol is what called as what? SMTP protocol. So here next thing is I am going to start this. That is I am assigning this variable as s. So s dot start ls off. That means what? Means it will start the server. So you can see here I am removing this term, and now you can understand this. Hope. So I am removing this term and I will show you what happened. So here I am removing this command, and now I can check what happened. So you can see here, this is start TLS, that is server is started now. So this is the way how to start a server. So after that, I am going to give my login credential. So s.login of my email ID, and this is the important thing and the key point of this program, how you are going to do. So for that, what we have to do is you need to have one mail ID. In that mail ID, you need to go to your manage your Google account section. If you go to manage your Google account section, means here you have to click security. So once you click this security, means you can see here number of things available, but you can simply type application password. If you type, means you will get this application password. So once you are getting, means it will ask you your general password. So you can give your general password and log into this. And after that, what you can see, I am seeing here, I'm just for instant, I'm deleting this, and here whatever thing I want, I have to type here. For example, I want to create password for Python 1. So you have to create this. If I create this, means what happened, you are seeing one application password is generating here. What you have to do is you have to just copy this and paste here. Just copy here and then go to your program, and after this comma you have to paste this password code here as it is. Okay, it will come like this, just for example, like this. So previously I have created that one, I have pasted here. Then after that, what this OTP function normally you can write, then message is equal to hello, your OTP is plus this OTP. Whatever this message will come as your in your mail, and along with that you will get this OTP function. After that, what it will do, it will ask enter your mail. Enter your email means which mail you want to get your OTP. That means in your Swiggy or Zomato account, what you will do, you will first register by using your email ID. That email ID will serve here. This part they will do in the Swiggy Zomato end. Whatever application you are using, that they will send. So based on your input, that mail ID, it will receive the OTP. That's why in our IRTCC server also, if you misuse the mail ID means you will not get any OTP. That is the main thing. So input, enter your email ID, and A is equal to input, enter your OTP. Here you will get that OTP. Once you enter the OTP correctly means if you enter your mail ID immediately, this mail ID and message will be sent to the particular mail ID. So once you are getting that mail ID means you need to enter that email ID into the prompt. So once the prompt is verified means your email ID will be, you will get the message that email ID is verified. This is how we are getting. So I am going to run this program and we will check it now. Okay. So here enter your mail ID. So I am giving my mail ID as my personal official mail ID. I am giving .edu.in, and after that you have to press enter. After that, what it is asking? It is asking your OTP. So what I am doing is I am going into this and I am checking the OTP here. So I am checking the OTP means what I am getting. So here you are not seeing anything means you have to go to your spam folder. So you can go here and check your spam folder. If you check the spam folder means you can get that hello, your OTP is 8258. Okay. So here I am entering that command 8258. So once you are getting means your password mail is verified. If you give wrong attempt also, it will enter. Please check your OTP once again. And based on this verification, you can develop further application for your use. So this is the very simple coding for OTP generation. So first you have to generate random number. After that, you have to convert that into string. And based on your application, the length may be either 4, 3, 5, whatever maybe you can fix here. And then you have to start the server of simple mail transfer protocol server. You need to start. Here one more number 587 is there. 587 is a default port address for transferring a simple mail. If you want to transfer any industrial specific means you have to transfer, you have to give the port address as 225 or sometime 24567 port defense application. So it will vary from application to application, but for transferring a simple mail from one server to another server, you need to use the port address as 587. That is default. Then you can start the server will be started. Then you can use your for sender mail ID and corresponding password. Password how you are generating that I have shown already. From a mail section, you have to go to security and application password. From that, you can generate this password. And then you can join all the single string into a combined string by means of join function. And then you will send what mail you want to get your OTP that will be given as a input. For that mail ID, you will get the message what I have received, what I am sending. And what OTP you are received in your mail ID, if you enter that means it will be verified. If it is wrong means it will give you the message, please check your OTP once again, like that. Okay. So this is how we are generating the mail OTP by using mail ID. So using for mobile phone also separate program is available. So that also you can try. So this is useful for many project development that depends on OTP application. So based on OTP, you want to recognize something, you need to generate something, you need to generate some reports means this program will be pretty quick and useful. So I think it is the best you are understanding. So better luck next time. Thank you very much.